How to find mobile push notifications settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find mobile push notification settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here click this 3 points here in the bottom corner and go down, click settings and then click notifications, and now just go down here and you will find mobile push. You can turn it off or turn it on, and then just click save and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.